What if the greatest threat to humanity isn't war, climate change, or technology, but something silently moving through space, completely beyond our control? For decades, space agencies have explored the universe with curiosity and ambition. But in recent years, a darker narrative has begun to emerge. The more we learn about space, the more we realize how fragile Earth really is. Hidden in the vast emptiness are forces so powerful, unpredictable, and destructive that even the most advanced science struggles to fully understand them, let alone stop them. From rogue asteroids to violent cosmic phenomena, here are 5 of the most alarming discoveries reshaping our understanding of danger beyond Earth. Number 1. The city-killer asteroids are closer than we think. Of all the threats lurking in space, none are as immediate or as terrifying as near-Earth asteroids. Often called city killers, these objects are typically between 50 to 300 meters wide. That might not sound massive compared to the dinosaurs killing asteroid, but the truth is far more unsettling. An asteroid of this size doesn't need to end humanity to cause unimaginable destruction. It only needs to hit the right place. If one were to strike a densely populated city, the results would be catastrophic. Within seconds, millions of lives could be lost. The impact would release energy equivalent to multiple nuclear bombs, flattening buildings, igniting fires across vast areas, and sending shockwaves that would shatter infrastructure miles away. But the real fear isn't just their destructive power, it's how many of them we haven't found yet. Scientists have made significant progress in tracking near-Earth objects, but current estimates suggest that hundreds, possibly thousands of dangerous asteroids remain undetected. These are objects that could already be on a collision course with Earth, moving silently through the darkness of space. Unlike comets, which can sometimes be seen from great distances due to their glowing tails, asteroids are often dark and difficult to spot. Many approach from the direction of the sun, making them nearly invisible to telescopes until it's too late. In the worst-case scenario, humanity might only get a few days or even hours of warning. Imagine waking up to global headlines announcing that a massive asteroid will strike Earth in 72 hours. Panic would spread instantly. Governments would scramble to respond, but realistically, there would be little anyone could do. Evacuation on a large scale would be chaotic and incomplete. Entire regions would be left vulnerable. Even if the asteroid landed in the ocean, the consequences could still be devastating. The impact would generate massive tsunamis, potentially wiping out coastal cities across continents. Trade routes would collapse, economies would spiral, global supply chains would be disrupted overnight. Beyond the immediate destruction, there's also the psychological impact. The knowledge that Earth is constantly exposed to unpredictable cosmic threats changes how we see our place in the universe. It's no longer just a distant possibility. It's a statistical certainty that one day an asteroid will hit Earth again. Efforts are underway to prevent such a disaster. Scientists are experimenting with asteroid deflection techniques, including kinetic impact missions designed to alter an asteroid's trajectory. But these solutions depend on one critical factor: time. Without early detection, even the most advanced technology becomes useless. This is what makes city-killer asteroids one of the most dangerous and urgent threats facing humanity today, not because we can't stop them, but because we might not see them coming. Number 2. Black holes that eat stars alive. Black holes were once considered rare, mysterious objects. Today we know they are everywhere, and some are far more active than expected. Recent observations have captured black holes tearing stars apart in violent events known as tidal disruption events. When a star gets too close, the immense gravitational force stretches it into a stream of superheated gas before consuming it completely. These events release enormous bursts of radiation, sometimes outshining entire galaxies for brief moments. While most black holes are far from Earth, the concern lies in their unpredictability. Rogue black holes, those not anchored to galaxies, could theoretically wander through space. If one were to pass near our solar system, the gravitational effects could disrupt planetary orbits. Even at a distance, a powerful radiation burst from such an event could damage Earth's atmosphere, affecting satellites and possibly even life itself. Number 3. Solar superstorms that could shut down Earth. The sun gives us life, but it also has the power to take it away. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections are bursts of energy that can travel toward Earth at incredible speeds. A powerful enough event could overwhelm our planet's magnetic field, leading to widespread technological failure. In today's world, where everything depends on electricity and digital systems, this would be catastrophic. Power grids could collapse within minutes. Satellites would fail. GPS systems would go offline. Communication networks, including the internet, could be disabled for weeks or longer. Modern society is not built to function. Without these systems, hospitals, transportation, banking, and emergency services would all be affected. Unlike asteroids, solar storms are inevitable. The question is not if one will hit, but when. Number 4. Melting ice worlds revealing alien secrets. Moons like Europa and Enceladus have long fascinated scientists due to their potential to harbor life beneath their icy surfaces. But recent findings suggest that these worlds are more complex and possibly more dangerous than we thought. Beneath their frozen crusts lie vast oceans, kept warm by internal heat. Chemical interactions within these oceans could support microbial life. However, they could also produce unknown compounds or environments that challenge our understanding of biology. As exploration missions advance, the possibility of contamination both ways becomes a serious concern. Introducing Earth-based microbes to these ecosystems could disrupt them, while unknown organisms could pose risks if brought back. It's a reminder that not all discoveries are purely beneficial. Some open doors we may not be fully prepared to walk through. Number 5. Mysterious fast radio bursts. Fast radio bursts are among the most puzzling phenomena in the universe. These are intense bursts of energy that last only milliseconds but release more power than the sun emits in days. Some originate from billions of light years away, yet are still detectable on Earth. What makes them unsettling is their unknown origin. Some FRBs repeat in patterns, suggesting a mechanism that is not entirely random. Theories range from highly magnetized neutron stars to more exotic explanations. While they currently pose no direct threat, their sheer energy raises questions. If a similar event occurred closer to Earth, the impact on our atmosphere and technology could be significant. The universe is not a calm, empty void. It is a dynamic, often violent place filled with forces beyond human control. What's truly terrifying isn't just the existence of these threats, but how little we can do about many of them. Our planet, for all its complexity and advancement, is still incredibly vulnerable. Among all these dangers, city-killer asteroids stand out as the most immediate and realistic threat. They don't require exotic physics or distant galaxies. They are already here, moving silently through our cosmic neighborhood, and one day, one of them might come too close. The real question is, will we see it in time?